Good morning, students. In the last class, we have learnt about the physical divisions of India and some facts about India. Today, we will learn about the states and union territories of India. For children, in India, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. I will repeat again 28 states and 8 union territories. So, the 28 states, along with their capitals, and union territories and their capitals, are given here in this table. So, you all please learn the states and their capitals and union territories and their capitals. It is very important. Questions will be asked from here in your exam. So, let us read the states and its capital one by one. So, Andhra Pradesh, its capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, its capital is Itanagar. Assam, its capital is Dispur. Bihar, its capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh's capital is Raipur. Then Goa's capital is Panaji. Then Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana's capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Jharkhand's capital is Ranchi. Karnataka's capital is Bengaluru. Then Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Then Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Manipur's capital is Imphal. Then Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Mizoram's capital is Aizawl. Nagaland's capital is Kohima. Odisha's capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab's capital is Chandigarh. Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur. Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai. Then Telangana's capital is Hyderabad. Tripura's capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh's capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand's capital is Dehradun. And West Bengal's capital is Kolkata. As you can see, children, there are 28 states. So, the states along with their capitals are important. Please learn it. Now, Union territories and its capital. So, there are 8 union territories. Andaman and Nicobar Island, its capital is Port Blair. Then Chandigarh's capital is Chandigarh. Then Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. That means DNHDD. Its capital is Daman. Next, Delhi, which is the National Capital Territory. Its capital is New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir's capital is Srinagar. Ladakh's capital is Leh. Lakshadweep's capital is Kavaratti Island. And Puducherry's capital is Puducherry. So, children, please memorize the Union Territory and its capital also. Now, India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state has its own government, which is elected by the people of that state. The union territories are governed by the central government. Every state has a chief minister as its head, while a union territory is governed by the lieutenant governor. So, children, like I already said, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Now, each state has its own government, and the people of that particular state elect their government by the process of election. And as we all know, election is held in every 5 years. So, the people of a state elect the government and choose their chief minister and his body of minister look after the state. Now, the union territory, on other hand, is governed by the central government. So, union territories are governed by the central government. See, children, there are three levels of government. The central government looks after the entire country. Central government will look after the entire country. State government looks after a particular state. So, state government is looking only after one particular state. And the local government looks after the villages. So, the three levels are central government, state government, and local government. Central government looks after the entire country. State government looks after a particular state and local government looks after villages. So the states are looked after by the state government and union territories are looked after or governed by the central government. Now, every state has a chief minister. Like our state, Jharkhand, has Hemant Soren as the chief minister. And the union territory is governed by the lieutenant governor, who is appointed by the president of India. So the president of India is appointing the lieutenant government to rule the or to govern the union territories of India. So children, lastly, did you know Chandigarh is the capital of two states, Punjab and Haryana? So children, both Punjab and Haryana have a common capital, that is Chandigarh. So Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab also and it is the capital of Haryana also. Now children, over here there is a classwork. Write the names of the capital cities of the states given below. So you have to complete this in the book. Without looking at the answers, please learn the states first and then try to complete this exercise. And then after you have written, then you can check your answers. And if you have written the wrong answer, erase it and then write the right answers. Please children, learn the correct spelling of the states and capitals. If your spelling is wrong, your marks will be deducted. So you have to learn the correct spellings also. So with this children, our first chapter is over. Now I will send you the question answers as well as the exercises. Please write the question answers in your copy and the exercises you can write it down in the book itself. No need to write the exercises separately in the copy. Exercises, do it in the book. Question answers, write it down in the copy. So children, write it down, learn it, and then we will meet in the next class with chapter number 2. Thank you, children.